Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 20th May 2025. Hon Hai Precision Industry Company, Apple's primary iPhone manufacturer, is investing $1.5 billion in its Indian unit, signaling production shift away from China. This move aligns with Apple's strategy to diversify its manufacturing base amid geopolitical tensions and potential tariffs. The majority of iPhones made in India are assembled at Hon Hai's Southern India factory. India intends to revise foreign investment regulations. The goal is to monitor foreign-owned entities more closely. New rules may affect e-commerce and pharmaceutical companies. The government plans a new category for foreign-owned and controlled entities. Share transfers and restructurings could face stricter FDI rules. These changes aim to prevent bypassing FDI policies. Shiprocket, backed by Zomato, is preparing to file for an IPO with SEBI, aiming to raise Rs 2,000 to Rs 2,500 crore. The company, which manages shipments for D2C brands, saw a 20% revenue increase in financial year 24. Despite losses widening due to past acquisitions, Shiprocket turned cash flow positive in financial year 25 and is expanding into payments, cross-border shipping, and quick commerce. Euler Motors has raised Rs 638 crore in Series D funding led by Hero MotoCorp, making Hero's entry into electric 3 and 4-wheelers. Funds will boost sales, service network and product development. With this round, Euler's total funding reaches Rs 1,420 crore, supporting expansion to 80 cities and increasing market share. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, has introduced significant updates to the bond market framework to bring more transparency and simplicity in pricing mechanisms, particularly on the request for quote or RFQ platform. To streamline yield computations, SEBI has mandated that scheduled payment dates be used for calculating bond yields, without any day count adjustments. This change aims to remove complexities and create uniformity in how bond prices are derived, making it easier for market participants to understand and compare yields. The Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, released revised draft guidelines for investments by regulated entities, or REs, in alternative investment funds, or AIFs, aimed at relaxing norms. The central bank also acknowledged that the SEBI has issued its own guidelines. The RBI may exempt certain AIFs from these rules in consultation with the government if they are set up for strategic purposes. The revised guidelines will apply prospectively, while existing investments and commitments will continue under current regulations. The RBI has invited public and stakeholder feedback on the draft directions until 8th June 2025. Comments can be submitted through the Connect to Regulate section on the RBI's website. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.